We are going to make a petasos, which is a winged hat worn by the Greek god Hermes. These are the materials you will need. Here I measured 6 inches that will be the radius of my circumference. I attached a string on a Sharpie and a push pen to help me draw the circle. Since my circle was a little crooked, I measured 6 inches from the center to the walls of the circle and fixed the edges. Now I am cutting the circle. Here I am making many 6-inch lines from the center that we will need to cut. When you cut, make sure not to go all the way to the center, otherwise they will disconnect. Here you can see all the cuts. Now we flip it and start using the hot glue to attach the flaps following the same direction. We thought the hat turned out a little pointy, so we decided to cut part of the top out. Now I need to close it back again with hot glue. We attached a round circle on top to make it look better. Here I am drawing a wing and then I am cutting it and using this wing to draw another. And Zoe came to check on us too. Now we are cutting a long strip of golden paper to make the feathers. To make it easier and more uniform, we drew the feathers and then cut them. We are adding a golden stripe on the bottom of the hat to make it look nicer. We are starting now to attach the feathers to the wings and then glue the wings to the hat. And there you have it, a petasos. Thanks for watching.